The new Volvo S60 has been designed to be a true driver's car, offering an engaging and enjoyable driving experience in all situations. Advanced chassis technology puts it at the forefront of driving dynamics. This does not only apply to the new S60 itself, but also to how it was developed. Volvo Cars was one of the first car manufacturers in the world to implement a full-scale, state-of-the-art simulator for driving dynamics. The simulator played a vital role in the development of the chassis performance on the new S60.
With this advanced simulator, we have been able to test and evaluate things like wheel suspensions, brakes and geometry very early in the development process, even before the first test car was actually built.
With the simple push of a button, parts of the wheel suspension can be exchanged, or settings can be modified, and the simulator driver experiences the difference in real time. The 60 series cars have been the first where the simulators have been used from the beginning, through the entire development process.
There are several areas where our work in the simulator has improved the S60 significantly. For example, based on our test results here, the geometry of the rear axle was changed in order to improve the balance and agility. With the simulator, we have an excellent foundation once the real-life testing begins. It's about making the car better, not just save time. I believe we have created the best driver's car so far in Volvo's history.